Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand you want to know how you can do a drop down. So you know, there's a way to do this, and so it's going to show you how. So I open up a funnel on my own account, and you're going to be able to click on the add the element, and you can click on select box, and you can have like a drop down if you want. Okay, so yeah, you can use the select box. If you're trying to do with like products, you can click on add element as well, and you can use the where is it, the other select, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the color. Okay, and then you go to advanced, and then you're going to select a drop down. Okay, so this will display your products. This is for products if that's what you want to do, if you're trying to do it with products. So this would display your products as a drop down. Okay, and this one is just a select product. You can do, as you can see, with multiple things. Okay, so of course after you do it, you click on save, and then you can test it and see. So go ahead and play around with that, and let me know if that works for you. Alright, bye for now.